All right, guys, look, we might get demonetized because of the background, but it's not a big deal. Today we're doing something really different. We're down in Elmer with the Odd Wheels Car Club, putting on their 3rd annual swap meet and car show down here at the Elmer Fairgrounds. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. It's gorgeous out already. And I'm down here with a friend of mine, one of the organizers, and he's hanging out with a beautiful car. You guys will know the car when we turn the camera around. We get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that kind of good stuff. And go over to the Odd Wheels on Facebook and Instagram and all that. Give them a like. Tell them I sent you. Let's go. All right. Young feller, you are sitting there on black gold.
Yes,
Mr. Perry Carey's front engine slingshot dragster.
Yep.
You are?
My name's Steve Robbins. I'm one of the founding members of Odd Wheel.
And I just told him a little bit about what you got going on today. But like I said, you have a model building contest, you have Power Wheels drags, you have a pinup girl competition, you have a cacklefest, obviously with some gorgeous race cars. We got Andy's Rambunctious, we have Dave Gibbs's Astro on the far side, beautiful Camaro, of course, Misfit Racing and her Vega, and a beautiful 442 W30 on the far side. But I mean, behind us, they're going to see here right shortly, is a very packed car show.
Oh yeah.
Dude, is there anything you want to tell people?
We just want to say thank you to everybody. This is year number 3 for us. You guys have come out and supported us big every single year, and this is no exception. So like, this is the biggest it's been, and we just appreciate everybody that comes out and helps us put on this show. We raise some money for charities, and we have a good time doing it. So you guys rock.
Well, I'll tell you, I hope everybody leaves comments and lets you know what they think of your car show, and I hope this brings some people out and off your chairs and come out here and see some of these beautiful cars. Because again, it's like drag racing, isn't it? You got to be there to experience it. It's just not the same seeing it on TV or on videos. It isn't.
And we're gonna have a lot of fun today because we got our specialty cars over here. We got our headliner right here is Perry Carey, one of the coolest guys you're ever gonna meet. And then we've got a whole bunch of other stuff going on. We've got our pinup girl contest this year. We got a theme. It's called Viva Las Vegas. Over in the tent there, we got a whole thing going on. They got a backstage, the whole 9 yards. We go as big as we can for these girls. So what are we doing? We got a model car contest going on at, I believe, 10:30. We've got a Power Wheels drag racing contest going on. That's fun because we let the little kids bring their Power Wheels. We got a little mini drag strip set up.
That's
we
awesome.
Let them go heads up and see who's the baddest in the land. Then we've got, at noon, we go over to the big tent. We do our pinup girl contest, and if you get the chance, if you come out to the show today, have a conversation with these girls. They're super cool. And then at 1 o'clock, we are going to fire up these monsters and shake the ground. We fired this one up last night, and I'm still stoked about it. It was so much fun.
if you go onto his the Facebook page, Friends of Odd Wheels. You'll see him. His grin was very, very large, and he's sitting inside of his car.
Last night. It was awesome.
It is awesome, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
It is.
It's a rush that you'll never understand till you do it. Dude.
No, that's very true.
And thank you to Perry again for giving me that opportunity, because that was a lot of fun.
Perry Carey and his wife and those guys are just tremendous people. Look, okay, to give you an idea, there's 3 stickers on this car, okay? And I am very fortunate to be one of them. Okay, so to be able to call these guys my friends is unbelievable. So again,
these guys are family to us now.
Of course they are. I spend these guys know I spend every weekend with these guys, so and I have for years. So
the nicest people you're ever gonna meet.
Absolutely. Well, we're gonna start this show off and get people showing them what they're missing by not being here.
So today is July 12th. The show goes from 8 till 2 o'clock. If you guys can get out here, get out here.
Thanks, brother. I appreciate it.
Thanks, man.
So check this out. There's vendors. And look at the car show. We're gonna take a tour through. But if you check over here, that's my buddy Hairbag's truck. That's pretty cool. Go!
Other than that,
I can safety limit.
that's cool. Right off the other channel.
Friday night, practice down one side of that
Holy crap, look, it's a hooligan convention. Look, we'll sneak up on them. We'll sneak up on them, they won't see us.
No, we just left it on and
We have a Roman one.
They won't know we're here. 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 We'll just sneak up on everybody. We'll just sneak up on everybody. What's going on, gentlemen, ladies? How's everybody doing today?
hanging out.
Aren't you supposed to be at a 1320? Oh, don't we usually meet up in different areas?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next time. That's on a Friday, Saturday.
I'm sure you recognize these guys, so no introduction needed.
For showing it off.
Yeah, they're down here right now. Isaac Strock, obviously the Dark Horse, the GT. Yep. You guys have seen them on Friday Night Test and Tune. Have a good day, gentlemen.
no, it's not.
There are hundreds of cars. We're gonna try to get a car count for you guys. A lot of people. Don't forget, we got a model competition coming up right shortly, followed by Power Wheels Drags. Won't want to miss that, so stick around. Look at the paint job on that Chevy right there. Nice, beautiful looking Tri-5 GTX. For sure. Looks like we got the A-team involved. Friends of the family. Deeks Coronet. Yes, sir. Everybody's down here enjoying the day. Convertible GT. We followed this Ford down here, actually. It's pretty cool. Yeah, reminded me all of Tedness, my old 48 Merc. The old Econo line. Check that out. There is just about everything here, vendors wise, guys. They have lots to offer out here. You got to come out here next year if you're interested in something like this, because it's always a good time. Zoomies. 57 Chevy Nomad. Beautiful. Lead sled. Flat purple's pretty cool. For sure. Some friends of ours over here. The Beetle. And it looks like part-timer. Brian's truck. Jeez, that's old. What year is that, sir? 1899. 1899. Holy. Okay. Is it? But still, though, it's a replica. But like, check this out. Talking about the bare basic minimums back in the day. That's crazy. Wow, look at that. Creature comforts, eh? Brett bought his little micro truck out. Mini truck all slammed. A couple of them out today. Bright yellow Corvette. Old International step side. Cool. We're getting closer. Yeah, getting closer. There are rows and rows and rows. There's a beautiful looking 57 Chevy right there.
Normal, that's their first set. They'll be back on a little bit later.
How's it going, Mud Duck? Mud Duck.
Pretty good. I brought the G.
I saw that over there. You were hanging out with Hairbag, were you?
Yeah, I brought a couple cans of tire shine to get those extra clean. So, you know, it's part of mud.
Well, it's not supposed to be muddy. It's supposed to be dirty.
Wow, this is the second one. I went last night to St. Thomas and it was pretty good. So I thought, might as well come to this one. So
Right
try to
on.
have some fun.
Enjoying your day?
Oh, so far. Hot, but good.
Cool. If you're not familiar, Mud Duck is one of the ones in our mud bog that has the Jeep all green. He makes it out for a little while, but then he's a little brutal on his stuff. And see you, mister. For sure.
Your daughter slapped me.
Yep.
She slapped me first.
Beautiful looking hot rod there. Check out the 442. Nice Ford. Beautiful. So, it's a fair wagon, is it not? It is.
Southern Ontario Car Culture Pawn.
Wow, that's a nice looking car right there.
Transportation, Bemis Landscape, Galvin.
Huh? Yeah, 1908 Buick. Wow, Buick. Regal. That attitude. That's pretty cool. Sir, you're a little out of place somewhere, aren't you?
There you go. How are you?
I'm all right, you?
I have no complaints, but except for the warmth.
That's all right, be shoveling it.
That's all right. You got that part.
That's right.
That Model A.
Cyclone.
It's not like a motor in the
windows
future.
went
You've got
down.
that Model A
Everything
fighting
was
this
cool.
like
Check out the nose of this thing.
and uses them all. Got
Look at
overdrive. Just won't stall.
You don't see it.
With a
Flip
four
headlight.
and a dual exhaust with 411 gears, you can really get lost. That's safe.
Old school.
Yeah, you turn me on. What kind of feeling? I'm high on believing that you're in love with me. I'm hooked on a feeling, and I'm high.
All right, look at this. We have ourselves a selection of 4 racers down here today, bidding for King of the Hill, fastest Power Wheels on the planet. You all ready to go today, guys? Yeah? Ready to go?
Some gas money.
Really nice trophies. Look at that.
Who do we got coming up here first?
All right, we have our first pair loaded in. Misfit's going to be arm
We
dropping.
got in the left and the right lane here. What's their names?
Troy. Troy.
Troy.
And Troy?
Yeah.
All right, so that's
First pair.
our first little heads up race here. We're gonna do an old school arm drop. Our driver's ready. Watch Angela, she's gonna drop her arm, so you guys are gonna go.
Go, 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 go!
Here we
Go, go, go! Oh! We got our winner of the first round over there, way over there. All right, we have our next pair.
The track here. We don't need you stopping in St. Thomas.
All right, you ready?
So our drivers look like they're ready. Watch Angela, guys. There we
Go!
go.
Oh, the wheelie! Oh! Oh!
Somebody should put some wheelie marks.
Oh! He got the winner on the left-hand lane.
That looks like
We had troublemations
Michigan
over
racing
there.
kind of deal, doesn't it?
All right, we got the town crier
crier.
taking on our first winner. Let's see what happens. Oh, I know. One eye on the video camera and one eye on the little ones.
The Odd Wheel Car Show, so if you got little ones, bring them out next year. We're gonna do it again.
Go, go, go! Go! Go!
The lead. Uh-oh.
Oh, 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 oh,
He's getting it.
oh! Got him by a fender.
That was a close one.
All right, here's our next round. Here we go.
Here we go.
Go! Oh, truck's coming out of the hole with his wheels up. Oh! Quick win.
But he made that Bronco.
All right, we have a replacement driver, so let's
Take a
do
deep
it.
breath. Get ready. Here we go.
Oh, Bronco's on him. Oh, Bronco for the win.
Oh, sideways at the
Oh.
end. Yeah.
All right, here she goes.
Watch Angela, guys.
Go, go, go! Go, go! Oh, this one's close. Oh!
The close one.
Oh! Oh, by half a car. Left-hand lane. Oh, look at that.
Big round of
That's
applause
awesome.
for our Power Wheels drivers. Thank you so much for coming on, guys. Make sure y'all come back next year. Tell all your family and friends. Bring those Power Wheels out. Don't forget, at noon we had the pinup pageant that's over at that far tent.
Yeah, the other part.
Food trucks are up and going, so if you guys are hungry.
Oh, wait a minute. Check that out. That is quite the stuffed job in there. Look at that. All right, this is what these people do for fun. Watch this. Oh, he's getting the balance in there. Here we go. Watch this. You're crazy.
She is every pinup's biggest cheerleader. Let's welcome Aurora. All right, first up we have Mistress Kat Solomon. Hello, gorgeous. How are you feeling?
I am feeling very excited to be here.
You look gorgeous. This is stunning. I don't know. We have Violet Broom. Everybody that, and everyone's answer is good, but I know.
Sorry.
We're a little nervous. Yeah. Which Rita Sunshine.
Just finished
Hello, gorgeous. How are you feeling? You feel fabulous. You look fabulous. Are you ready? The closet for 3 years. We're gonna wear it. Up next, we have Miss Lady Monique.
The only exception when I'm out on a quiet spree.
I was like, what are you, where are you going with that? I love that. Up next we have Lottie Lavelle.
Wake up,
we ready back there, ladies? Up next, we have Pearl Black.
And my heart beats so that I can hardly speak.
Hello, gorgeous. Love this on you. You look stunning. How are you feeling?
Wonderful.
Up next, we have Rosie Rocket. Yeah, we're getting into the music now. That's why we love to have music on stage. How are you feeling?
Nervously excited.
Mabel Sugarbush. Hi, Mabel. How are you? You're very tall. I feel ginormous up here until I'm standing next to you. Welcome, Mabel Sugarbush. Up next, we have Miss Bel Air Gaza. Hi. How are you feeling?
I'm good, and you?
Are you actually good? Or are you dying a little on the inside? Up next, we have Shandy Lightning. Who needs a fan anyways? That's true. That's true. How you feeling? Sweaty. I don't have kids, so when I have an opportunity to be like somebody, I'm like here for all of that. So, and she's so young. I almost could have birthed her, maybe. Yeah, if I had kids real young. Because I'm only 20. I wish. Everyone say, yeah, okay, Vanessa. Okay, up next we have Miss Opera Kitty. I feel fantastic. It's a little warm though. We have Kitty Von Meow Meow. Last and certainly not least, Miss Mercury Retrograde.
5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock. We're going to rock. Around 10 o'clock tonight.
For you, right? Where is
The vehicle's coming and going all day out here. Full of beautiful cars. Mr. Watson's. Oh, look what we got. Oh, look at this. There's Dan's Coyote Twin Turbo Ford Ranger. You've seen it on the videos down St. Thomas Dragway. Go over to Dan's Custom Projects on YouTube. Tell him I sent you. Give him a subscribe. He documents everything he's done with this truck. He takes it down to Sparta. Like I said, you guys have seen him on my videos, but yeah. Leave him a comment, and like I said, go over there, leave him a subscribe. Dan's Custom Projects. Let's try to get him to 1,000 subscribers. He works hard. He really does. And when he's not playing with this, he beats up on his wife's car. Hey, don't let it kid you. It's fast. Beautiful 62 Dart. Look at the max wedge in there. Look at that. Huh? You see that? That's gorgeous. Looks like an old super stock car. That's pretty cool. Oh, you got a big old Plymouth coming out, heading out. Beautiful blue. All right, we're gonna start off. We got Dave Gibbs giving us some cacklefest. Now this has full exhaust. It's a street car, but it's a race car. Woo!
Okay. You two are last. So we're gonna do
Gotta fire the Camaro.
Get loud for these guys.
Make it louder than the cars. Let's go. Little squirt to help it along.
Alright, so I guess we got.
You don't do that with your street car, guys. Just saying. It's not a street car thing.
Got the Camaro, gonna fire it up, make some noise.
It's just a little bit more to it.
Street car.
Yeah, street car.
Street car. It's got plates. Alright, here we go. Look at the crowd down here. Look at the crowd you got down here.
Dan's best day ever.
Misfit Racing.
Hometown
Misfit.
heroes, guys. Let's go.
Angela, let's go. We've seen Angela down at the drags a lot.
We don't expect you to be quiet. We want to hear some noise.
Oh. Oh, Misfit always does a nice show, that's for sure. You see her on the drags. Got Derek in there. He's going to shoot it off for us. Now, this race car's been around for a long time. Mr. Perry. Are you gonna make some noise?
Here we go.
Time for our feature car.
This is Elmer. Let's make some noise.
Hold on. You gonna do a wheelie for us? Wheelie! Wheelie! All right. Miss Carrie's strapped in there. She's always the guinea pig when this happens. A big thanks to, again, Mr. Perry Carey and Black Gold. There it goes. Fuel's on.
Black Gold's gonna fire that race car up. If you got little kids, make sure they got their ears plugged if you're down there close. This thing is loud.
You hear it. You hear it. What? Holy crap, Mr. Gibbs, I would know that was louder. We were going to blow it away.
What?
Well. Oh, man.
Alright, so Steve, before you get too far, start there at
Hey, thank you guys again for coming out. We really appreciate it. Can't wait to see you guys in a couple weeks at Grand Bend Motorplex for Canadian Nationals. You will not want to miss that. We're going to be down there. We got Paul Noakes down there. We got Hellfire down there. We've got Top Fuel Cars. Todd Payton, who just got a Canadian record the other day, 319 miles an hour. We have got a show for you. You will not want to miss it. Come down and say hi to these guys. They'd love to see you.
Black Gold?
Black Gold. Mr. Dave Gibbs.
That green car?
The green car.
Oh, down to Gibbs Racing there. Ladies and gentlemen, what about Gibbs Racing? Is that your winner today? I don't know, it sounded pretty close. Alright, how about Ram Bumpus, ladies and gentlemen? Alright, so we're
Black Gold.
Black Gold, ladies and gentlemen.
What do you think? Let's hear it. Let them hear it.
I'm way over in the field. I can hear you guys. I think Black Gold's the winner. Would you say?
I think so. I think so. Good job. That's Benny and his Mustang. They wanted to be a part of that too.
I don't know. I can't see from here. So.
Well, guys, thank you again for yet another year.
Oh, wow.
We appreciate you.
Jeez, that's really nice.
Oh, yeah, look at that, eh?
We were told that Angela was not allowed to win this year because she cheated last year.
That's awesome. Let's get a closer look at that. Look at that. Couldn't have gone to a nicer family, I'll tell you that right now.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's an overwhelming win.
Let's hear it for him, guys. Woo! All right. That was the third annual swap meet down here, done by the Odd Wheel Car Club in Elmer, Ontario. And we just had ourselves the Cacklefest with Misfit, Black Gold, Camaro, Rambunctious, and Dave Gibbs, and of course, Penny and his Mustang and the Rat Rod. So over 350 cars, I think they said. And yeah, you can't You couldn't have beaten the day. It's beautiful out here. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all that kind of good stuff. And thank you if you've already done all that. Next week, we've got a huge week coming up. Thursday, Clawson, Family Day. We're down at the Drags Thursday. Then we're down Friday night Test and Tune. Then we're in Grand Bend for Truck Nationals on Saturday. And back to St. Thomas Dragway on Sunday for the No Prep front side 519 Pro Street. Putting that on Mr. John Forbes. That being said, we're out. Love you guys. See you guys in the next video.